Save water. Water is precious. Sources of water. We will get water from pond, well, lake, river, and ocean. Uses of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, cleaning utensils, planting, washing clothes, cleaning vehicles, cleaning floor, firefighting. How does water contaminated? Dirty water is said to be contaminated. Water gets contaminated when it mixes with the dust and waste materials thrown into it. Waste from industries and homes is dumped into rivers and other water bodies in the form of effluents and sewage, leading to water contamination. The chemicals present in the bright color and plaster of idols cause a lot of contamination. Lead and mercury from paints can make the water poisonous. Washing and bathing activities also contaminate the water. This contaminated water can be dangerous for all forms of life. Root causes of water contamination. Bathing animals and human beings in lakes and ponds. Washing clothes. Dumping chemicals. Dumping effluents in river. Immersion of idols. Diseases due to contaminated water. Jaundice, typhoid, cholera, dysentery are causes for contaminated water. Simplest way of making water safe for drinking. By boiling it for 20 minutes, adding chlorine tablets in water is another way of purifying water. Prepare an oral rehydration solution ORS to prevent dehydration. Take 1/2 a liter of boiled and cooled water in a clean container. Add half teaspoon of common salt and 4 teaspoons of sugar. You can add a few drops of lemon juice also. A small quantity of this solution, if given often, can prevent dehydration.